Hi there, in this video we are going to create a website, in Shopify. So Shopify has this free trial. Before it was 14-day free trial, and now it seems like it start free trial for 3 days, and then they have this promo to enjoy 3 months Shopify for $1 per month. And then this one would be 17 per month. That is build annually. I think they have a monthly plan, which is $24. I believe that's $24 USD. Unfortunately, when you're just starting out and just you want to create a website, sometimes the drop shipping take time and the designing takes time. 14 days or 3 days, especially 3 days, is not really enough to really create your website, like prepare your website to launch. So I would like to propose to you, well, I would like to add this service so that you can create a development website with no trial expiration. Um, and you just need to send me your details. This is the details, and then I'm going to transfer the ownership to you once you are ready to transfer your website. So I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to only need the business name and your complete address, and then your name and email address. So here's what I'm going to do. This will be a free setup on Shopify, no limit on trial development. So you would only need to pay to Shopify once I transfer the ownership to you, because right now I'm going to use my development account so that you can create and develop your website. So for this one, just for an example, um, the business name would be Picos to Motherhood Wellness Tea, and this will be the address. So from you, I'm just going to need this information. So let's copy this, and then I'm going to create the store name, and then I'm going to say where is this based. So based in Australia, which is in your address. So let's wait for that. Okay, it's being created now. There it is. So there it is. So once I've created your store, I'm going to set up a user for you so that you can start developing your website. So I'm going to add you as an admin, and then once you're ready, like okay, Gel, I'm ready to start to launch my website, I'm going to transfer it to you. So no charge of that. That's all good. If you need help like customization or need help, that's where I can like work around, and how can I help you with my services. So there it is. So now we are going to set this up in Shopify, and the first thing that you would need to do is, once the Shopify is ready and you have access to the admin, and the first thing that you need to do is to fill out all of this information here. It's not going to be like tremendous settings. It's just going to be like knowing where you are, what you sell, and what is your store, how can it contact you, all of those things like shipping, etc. So in this one, if you have a APN, which is for Australia, it's actually important to have this added so that you are like it's about like this. See this one, so you can Shopify required to charge 10% GST on your Shopify bill. So you can register that. I'll just need you'll just have to add your 11-digit ABN number here, and then next thing is the basic information would be your store name, and then the legal name, and then what type of store industry it is. So food and drink, and then the address. So for the address, we are going to add in, sometimes you just need to add this, and then it will autofill it, fill out. Yes, autofill like that, and then have your email and phone. So just an example, and then I'm going to add website gel, which is my email at gmail.com, and then currency, and then the time, we're going to set it to Sydney, and then the default weight would be gram, depending on, because for this specific product we're going to sell teas that are weighed in gram. So there, let's save that. So that will be the store details, and plan billing, that's all okay. And user would be just adding user permission like your account, staff account, and then payments. So this would be like after you got the ownership. So you would just need to, once you activate this, you would just need to enter your bank details. So Shopify processes the payments, like it will accept credit card payments from customers, and then once they got the payments, they were going to take some, I think it's two, let's look at it. So how much, so transaction fees would be 2% per order. So they will less that, and then your order would be pay out to your bank. So going up here, just add this if you are an individual, what type of business, add your legal business, ABN, address, have this all fill out, and then like product details, what information, and then this shows up to the credit card billing, and then this where the funds will be deposited to your bank account. So it's important that you have your bank account here. For Australia, it's a BSB number and an account number, and then that's it. Just complete the setup. Unfortunately for now, I'm not going to add this because I don't have that yet, but that's important once the store is transferred to you, or if you created the store. And then next is the checkout. So when they check out, they can add their phone number. This all good to go. All the defaults are good to go. What we are looking for is, I think that's all good. I was looking for, that's okay. Sorry. And then the next thing is for shipping. So for shipping, in Australia, they have this, so I'm going to delete all of this, and then we can use the carrier. So in US, there's a UPS and USPS integration. For Australia, they have the Sendle. So you can add in domestic for the Sendle, and then if you want to also offer like standard free shipping for if they purchase $100 and above, that's how you can add this. And then for international, we would add, so Sendle again, and of course it will be based on what integration does Shopify has in your country. So yeah, so for Sendle they would add international. So next is let's save that. Next would be tax. I believe for foods like for beverage, they don't really charge tax on that, but if you are selling clothes or other items, I believe you have to set up tax here. So next would be location, which is actually already added here. Let's see. Okay, the location would be where the store will where the orders will come from. So if you have different, like most of the shops that I do is they have multiple drop shippers. So for teas they have a different location, and then for coffees they have different location. So you have to add the location where the orders are coming from. I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. But anyways, for this one, this is the dropshipper address, and I'm going to add in just the number here, and then add that location. Okay, that's all good now. And then next would be gift cards, and right now we're not going to set that up. And then market. So market would be, I'll show you later how it works. So right now we're not going to touch this for now, and then that's all good. Apps, that's all good for now. And then domains, if you have purchased your domain, I'm going to you just need to connect to a existing domain. I'm going to in my next video I'm going to create a video on how to connect third-party domains to Shopify. So even if you bought a domain from Crazy Domains or Namecheap or GoDaddy, you can still connect it to your Shopify here. So it will be very easy, but it will be on the next video. For now, we're not going to connect this. And then for this customer events, that's all good for now. That would be for like Facebook and tracking, third-party tracking. And then this is for the default logos and branding. If you have, then you can add this. For Square logo, they require 512 to by 512 pixel. We are going to actually design a logo for this particular shop later. So for now, let's just have that skip. We're going to go back on that later. So, and then for this one, notifications would be where when an order comes in and you will be notified. So they have this. All the default templates are all good to go. They are really good. Like this one, you just need to add in that like a logo. So and then for here down here, there it is. So add recipients. So this is where you can you would have to add your email address so that you will be notified when an order comes in. So for now, I'm going to add in my address, website gel@gmail.com. Add in, and that's it. And then for now, that's all good. Files, and then policies. So they have this like refund policies you can actually create from template. So it will generate, and then you can just add in the address, like your some informations here. And if like it's not a 30-day, it's a 14-day, you can have that, like change that in. But they have a ready-made template. Same with the privacy policy. You just need to like read and remove the items that you are not really using, or you're like that you're not using. So you can remove all of those things, but you can add in some information, but that would be the template. Same with the terms of services. So you can have that all good. It's based with Shopify legal terms, things like that. And then shipping policy, you can add in like we ship. There will be no template for this, but for now I'm just going to add in information here. Okay, that would be the information there, and then contact information if you want to like add your details. So that's all good. Save. And now let's go back to the actual creation of the website. So that's all the structure and setup of Shopify. When you're done, you can go back here now. So first is what I do is I would like to create collections first. So for this one, say collections is like a category of the products that you wanted to sell. Like for this one, teas. So I'm going to sell teas here, and then I'm going to change that because it was the URL would be front page. I'm going to make this teas there, and then save. And then I'm going to also add in tea wares for another one. For the other one, I'm using manual. For this one, we're going to use automated. So it will be product mismatch, product tag is equal to tea wares. Okay, and then add in. Okay, now let's go back to products. I'm going to add in slim tea. So this is slim tea, and then for now I don't have text here. Let me just take a text. Okay, let's copy this, and then add media, this one. And what I recommend is having like a square, and so 900 by 900 would be good. And let's just add price, and then for track quantity you can have a track quantity here like just 38, so that it can also notify you if you have low stock. And then the weigh would be 50 grams, and then have this under the T's for the product category, T here, and then the collection would be under T's. Okay, so let's add that, and then let's preview. Okay, so this is now the T. I have here this the default theme. I believe it's Dawn. Let me just check if it's Dawn. Yeah, Dawn. Dawn is always the default theme at the moment. Let's close that, and then that's it. That's for the under T's. And so we're going to add another one, which is for the T wear. So I'm going to add in T strainer. Okay. Okay, paste and add in. There's my here. This one. And then $9. Truck quantity 38. 10 grams. That's all good. And then for this one, we have red, a different color. So we have different color. Actually, for Australia, it's color here, and then the value would be gold, and then silver there. So once that's done, that's all good. And then for the collection, you will see that there's no collection here. That's options, right? What we're going to do is we're going to add in T-wears as the tag. So once you have that added as tags, if you go back to collections and then T-wears, you would see that it was automatically added to this collection. So that's pretty neat if you want to like save time in future if you have a lot of products that you wanted to add in. So it can just add it based on tags. So for now, let's just do that. I think you have an idea on how to add the products for Shopify. So let's go in on designing the website. So what I do is I have here so Shopify has this contact page that's already added. You can have this like we love to hear from you. Okay, and then let's do another one that is for the about page. So hi, we are I've added that. Let's just have that for the moment. You can add images if you want to, like have here upload images. So for now, let's just do that, and then once I have the contact and about page, we're going to do the navigation. So we have two navigations here that is default. We're going to do the main menu, which is the top. I'm going to remove that and add in the collection for the T-wears, and then for the T's there. Okay, I hope you're following, and I hope I'm not very confusing. And then for the about page there. Okay, and drag and drop. So you can arrange that by using this like drag and drop thing. So save menu, and then for the footer, I'm going to add in the policies that we have. So we have here policies. We're going to add in privacy, the refund, the shipping, and then policy, the terms and condition there. So save. And what I also like to do is to create another one for the footer. So I call this quick links. So it will be popular links. Even there's no popular links yet, what I do is I add some um, some items that I want to push in. Like for this one, I'm going to add in the products, and then I'm going to add pages about their contact, and then we can say that's tea blend, and then strainer. Ooh, mash strainer, and add that. So save. Okay. Now that's ready, we are ready to customize the website. So next is will be go to sales channels and then online store, customize. Okay, and now and here you can edit the header here. So as you can see, there's T-wares, and then this the product. So this design of the product, and then for the teas, then for the about page. So how it works is that this would be the header for all. You can see that there's a line here. So the two items at the top here would be a global setting. So once you change it, it will be applied to others as well. So say with this one, we're going to change the background color, and then I don't have the logo yet. You can upload it here, and then the main menu would be there, and then you can add an announcement bar. So say here free shipping, free shipping on orders over 100. So change the background to other color. So to access different colors, there's like theme settings here. You can change the background color. Say your background color would be blue, and then all of the background colors of accent would be changed there. So what I mean is, if we go to this section, there is a background scheme here. So if I'm going to change accent, it will also apply to blue color. So for now it's background one. So for here, if you don't have a video, you can remove the section, and then if you want to add different items like a text or a rich text like a paragraph, so you can add section for the paragraph, and then you can talk like welcome, that, and then you can change the text there, and then you can actually drag and drop items here like that. So I hope that makes sense. So you can add in, create in. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment, and then we can work around on that. So that's basically how you can edit the customize the theme. And then there are also other options, like if you want to customize the template for the collection page. Say if you want to add like a sign up section in the collection page, so you can do that, like change the background here like that. And then on the product page, this will be the product page template. So you can also here like shipping and return, so you can add text there for the collapsible content, and then that's it. You can also add different images, columns here, all of those things. So basically that would be that's how you can create and customize your theme in Shopify. I hope that is not too confusing. Let me know if you have any questions, and please subscribe to my channel so that I could continue creating more videos. In my next video, I'm going to create or I'm going to show you how to customize the product page so that it's going to be like for this one, materials. You can actually have different like dynamic content like ingredients. So the ingredients for the teas of the slim tea, if you have multiple products and they have different ingredients but you want to show it on this collapsible content, so we will cover that in the next video. And more of customization and improving your Shopify account. So again, if you want to like try out Shopify and set up your website without having that 3-day limit trial, let me know. Comment below or send me an email. I'm going to drop my email here. And yeah, I hope you can continue supporting me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps. Have a good day. Bye bye.